Our astronaut will be taking us through the planets. The first planet we'll be visiting is Mercury, which is the closest to the Sun, and the last will be Neptune, which is the farthest away from the Sun. As we move towards Mercury, we know that Mercury can range from negative 173 degrees to 427 degrees Celsius. It has wrinkles due to the iron core cooling and contracting, and it is the closest to the Sun, and it has no moons. Our astronaut might get sucked into a black hole, but it goes the other way. As we move towards Venus, we know that it's the second closest to the Sun and has a temperature of negative 471 degrees Celsius and has no moons. And one day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days. And Earth has one moon, and it can range from negative 88 to 58 degrees Celsius, and it is the only planet not named after a god. As we approach Mars, the Mars rover is going to get in our way, so we have to jump in space to get towards Mars. Mars can range from negative 153 degrees to 20 degrees Celsius. It has two moons, and the fun fact is that it has the tallest mountain in the solar system, which was previously volcanically active. And as we move past Jupiter with its 67 moons, it has a temperature of negative 148 degrees Celsius and is the fourth brightest in our solar system. Now we're passing Saturn and its 62 moons. It has more than 30 rings, and its surface temperature is negative 178 degrees Celsius. Our astronaut does some zigzags because it is excited about the solar system. As we move towards Uranus, we can see that it has 27 moons, and the surface temperature is negative 216 degrees Celsius and has 13 rings. And moving towards our last planet, Neptune, the farthest planet away from the Sun, is negative 214 degrees Celsius, has 14 moons, and its atmosphere contains hydrogen and helium.